you have been following this channel, then you know we made a lot of small but meaningful upgrades for this Honda, transforming it from a simple commuter into something adventure ready. And now it's finally time, 3.5 weeks of spontaneous trip across eastern side of Europe. One of those weeks is side by side by my good friend Tommy. Say hello. I will take you along this ride, everything from roads, ferries, cities, hidden and historical places, food, accommodations, all the challenge and of course all the fun along the way. I also have like an hidden agenda. You don't have to spend $20,000 on an adventure bike to make this adventure. Anyone with the right spirit can make their own two-wheeled adventure happen. So eastern side of Europe, lock up your daughters, lock up your wife. The Norse is out. Okay, it's not that bad.
Się mówi Benz!
Skål!
Na zdrowie!
So I can either take the ferry on Friday or Saturday.
Okay, so you're coming back Friday or Saturday?
No, I think that...
So we're gonna stay in this city for some hours and go around and look at it because it's quite pretty. It was nice here. Just got up and bought some breakfast. So this is what you get for around $9 or euro. One protein bottle, Starbucks coffee and a juice. So now we're gonna leave Olsztyn and go non-highway down to Europe's longest square. Look at that. And then we're going to Warsaw. Here we're gonna try to find a motorcycle store and then go around and look some at the city. That's the plan. And today we're driving a Tesla. So first of all we say Warsaw in Swedish. That's why we say Warsaw in the clip. I know it's Warsaw. And then Europe's longest square. It isn't Europe's longest square. ChatGPT tricked us big time. You're gonna see.
In the land of the north where the wind blows cold, there's a fire in our hearts.
So first I have to explain. We say Warsaw in Swedish. That's why we say Claro. Warsaw. I know it's Warsaw. And Europe's longest square isn't Europe's longest square. ChatGPT tricked us. 800 meter ska vi lägga högerfil här. Vad var det här rödlyset vi såg igår då? Vi var på Europas längsta rödlyse och ska vi till Europas längsta torg. So yesterday we were out for having maybe 1-2 beer, and then my friend asked a group of Polish people what they were drinking. Then he was given one shot while I was on the toilet, and then when I came back he needed to buy back a shot, also bought one for me. And then there were 2 older Polish guys sitting right next to us. Then they bought a shot for us, so then we had to repay them and bought a shot to them. And then came the whole group of the other Polish people and bought us shots for everyone. So then we have to repay them. So we got a little bit late today on the road. But we're just going to Warsaw, so there is no problem. And we didn't get the feeling that we need to repay them with a shot. They were super friendly and just wanted to give us, but we want to repay. That's why it got too many. So really good first impression of Poland. Nice city. Friendly people, nice roads, good food, and quite cheap. The hotel room was really good. So far 10 out of 10.
Raise the steel, take the shore. Hey ho, leave their hearts soaked in war.
Ja, men
Let's see that in an instant replay.
Men nu borde våran mage vara härdad. Bakfylla är
Stenhård.
Det är bättre att ha ashård mage när man kör motorcykel.
Ja.
Aldrig skit. Man bara skiter när man kommer hem.
man får ta sådana här diarrépiller. Tills man ser gravid ut, då tar man andra piller som man skiter. Man kollar sen ner bara, ja, kanske 3 veckor sedan, då brukar det se ut så här. Bara ett jävla strul där. Ja. Det blir någon speciell känsla när man åker nära skogen så här. Det känns man ute i skogen. Lika fridfullt.
We are born of the earth, of the ice, of the flame, and we'll rise again to reclaim. Oars in hand.
Turist och gjorde upp. Men jag har ju lyse på. Ja. Eller ska jag klättra upp och dra en shot på dig? Det är också ett bra ställe för det. Här kommer man ju upp. Jo. De här. Ja, det går det också.
Now we have 1 kilometer, 3 minutes to the Europe's longest square. So now you can go with me there, because it's just 1 kilometer.
And see how it looks like here in, what is the name of this city? Budzu. I call it Budzu. Ja. För vänster där. Jag sa GPSen, sväng vänster, sedan sväng höger. Och så åker man in rakt fram och sen ska man svänga vänster. Helt tvärtom. Vadå? Det ser ut som en polsk, vad heter det, haircut. Vad förbannat. Kommer det någon eller kommer det inte någon? Verkligen. So here it is, the longest square. Maybe not super fancy, but the plan was to sit here and have some food at Europe's longest square, but I can't see any restaurants. Maybe we can sit inside somewhere. So now we just ate cucumber soup, mashed potato and some fried chicken. Pretty good. It was much food. Really nice. Now we're gonna go to Warszawa. Warszawa. How do you say it? Warszawa. Warszawa. We're going to Warszawa. I see some skyscrapers. So that's it. In the next one we're gonna see what Warsaw have to offer. And spoiler, it's really nice. So this video got a bit delayed because I had to change program and relearn everything about editing. So now I'm putting out one 10-minute episode instead. Let me know down in the comment section if it should be 10 minutes or 30 minutes. And subscribe if you like it. Bye.
Jag är lite nyckeln med benen. Ja, plocka. Är du klar? Ja. Gud, kolla grejer. Åh!